Stop boiling or steaming corn the old way. Try these two recipes today using an air fryer. Hello, I'm Tracy. Today, I will share two easy air fryer corn recipes that give your corn a richer flavor and a light crisp that you simply can't get from boiling or steaming. Simple, easy, and quick. It only takes a few minutes. Stay with me, because the second recipe might become your new favorite way to enjoy corn. Let's get started. First is a delicious, buttery roasted corn dish, rich in flavor, made in an air fryer. The method is extremely simple. When you bring the corn home, peel off the outer husk and remove the silk and the stem if needed. Then place the corn in a bowl of cold water and soak it for about 30 minutes. This step helps keep the corn juicy and prevents it from drying out during cooking. After soaking, take the corn out and gently pat each ear dry with a paper towel. Next, take some butter and spread it evenly over each ear of corn. Make sure the butter covers all sides so the corn stays moist and develops a rich flavor when cooked. Once the corn is coated with butter, you can season it in different ways depending on your preference. For a classic flavor, simply sprinkle a little salt on one ear. If you like it spicy, try adding chili flakes or chili powder to another ear. And for a richer, more aromatic flavor, sprinkle a little cheese powder on the third ear. This way, you will have a variety of flavors in one batch. Same corn. Completely different experience. Now, preheat the air fryer for about 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. When it's ready, place the corn inside and cook at the same temperature for about 10 to 12 minutes. You should turn the corn halfway through cooking so it cooks evenly on all sides. While cooking, the butter will melt into the corn, and the outer layer will turn lightly golden and fragrant. When the corn is done, carefully remove it and let it cool for about 1 to 2 minutes before serving. The result is sweet, juicy corn with a lightly crisp exterior and rich flavor in every bite. Each ear has a different flavor, making it very appealing. This dish is quick, easy to make, and perfect for a simple snack or a side dish that the whole family can enjoy. Wait. Before you leave, this next recipe is completely different. And honestly, it might be even better. If you have a can of corn at home, let's make a very delicious corn sandwich cake using an air fryer. Start with about 200 grams, or 7 ounces, of canned corn. Drain it well so the corn is not too wet. Then place the corn onto a piece of parchment paper and gently spread it out evenly and thinly to form a round layer, like a small flat cake. Once the corn is arranged, it's time to add seasoning. Sprinkle a little black pepper, a little sweet paprika, and a little oregano evenly on top. These simple seasonings will give the dish a warm, rich aroma. Next, add the cheese. Use about 50 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese and 30 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, then mix the two together. After that, sprinkle it evenly over the corn and distribute it well so it melts and helps everything stick together. Next, preheat the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's ready, place the corn inside and cook for about 15 minutes. During this time, the cheese will melt and turn golden, creating a slightly crispy crust while the inside stays soft and flavorful. When it's done, carefully take it out and let it cool for a few minutes so it sets and is easier to handle. At this point, gently remove the parchment paper and you will have a delicious corn base. To make the dish more appealing, you can add a few fresh ingredients on top or serve it with them. Spread a little cream cheese, then layer some cooked ham, a leaf of lettuce, a few slices of tomato, and a cucumber on top. Then fold the corn base in half, and you will have a delicious corn sandwich that is both crispy and naturally sweet. Take one bite, and you will clearly feel the crispy, sweet, and rich corn crust combined with the fresh filling, creating a flavor that is both refreshing and well-balanced with richness and crunch. This recipe is quick, easy to make, and perfect when you want something different from regular canned corn. And those are 2 corn recipes using an air fryer. Do you prefer grilled corn on the cob or the crispy, delicious corn sandwich? If you like this idea, give it a try at home and let me know how it turns out. I would love to know what fillings you would add to create your own version. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more simple, practical recipes you can use every day. See you in the next video.